I am soaked. Oh, I am soaked. Complete bust. There's nothing on the radar right now. This sucks.
So a couple of years ago, I came out to this location known as the Water Gardens. It's a circular fountain system set up here next to the Harbor Bridge. I used my number 6 back then and I got a pretty decent photo, and I thought, you know, I want to do that on a 10-inch shot, or at least the 9.5 inch. So we're going to come on down here, set up in the center, and see if we can recreate that same photo. Of course there had to be stairs, I forgot. This is gonna be fun. It wasn't too bad. Time to set up in the center and figure out where the center is and then try to set up, huh? There's a biplane up there. That's pretty cool. It's about 15 meters from center to edge. And now it started sprinkling, so that's fun. It's doing more than sprinkling now. It's full on raining. So an anime convention came to town, it seems, because we got someone dressed up like, what's his name from Cowboy Bebop over there running. And I see some more anime nerds out. It is raining, man. I'm gonna place my marker down and go wait underneath the, yeah, it's pretty bad. I don't wanna let the camera out. I'm fine with the tripod, it's sealed, but I'm worried about the camera. There's nothing on the radar that I can see, but it keeps coming in waves and sheets of rain. It's too wet, I'm already soaked. I don't wanna get the camera damaged. And I don't wanna get the film wet because it's very sensitive to water. If it gets any water on it, it messes up. So it really sucks. No Cirkut photo today, well, at least right now. I'm gonna go sit in the car and dry off a bit. Maybe the rain will go away. Okay.
I am soaked. Oh, I am soaked. Complete bust. There's nothing on the radar. There's nothing on the radar right now. This sucks. Time to get some B-roll anyways. I'm already wet. As soon as I pack up. Let's try this again. Okay, so I'm still soaking wet, still dripping everywhere. Camera's wet. The dark cloth's wet. Jesus, that thing weighs a ton when there's water in it. Then it's this, I don't know, nylon or synthetic fiber. It's nice and lightweight, no issues. Gets caught in the wind real freaking easy, but you know what? Get the damn thing soaking wet and it weighs a ton. Okay, well, we're almost there. We'll try setting up for the second time, see what happens. So we gotta go pretty fast. I know exactly about where I need to be at. So we're gonna set up and do the shot real quick. And apparently we have anime photography going on behind me. So then back over here, I wanna see if I can get as much of the bridge in focus as possible.
There's basically a photo I've been wanting to do for a long time down here. Since the American Bank Center became the Hilliard Center, there's a shot where you get down Ocean Drive and back down the opposite side while capturing downtown and the Hilliard Center. I don't know if I brought a wide enough angle lens with me today, but we're gonna try. So it's Comic-Con apparently. I just heard somebody yell about it. Well, you know, years ago I used to go to these conventions, and I haven't been to an anime or comic book convention in about 10 or 15 years. Yikes. Okay, so from there all the way around, back down to there. It'll be a little bit more than 180 degrees because I'm just gonna force that. But I guess they've added a new sign here because I would have gotten closer to the road, but that's gonna block all the downtown. So I think we're right about here, and see if I can center up on this line, and we'll get all of this too. Gonna set up as quickly as I can. It's getting hot and humid now that the rain has decided to, you know, stop. The leather on my camera is very sticky. Parts of it is coming off. It's not very fun. So I at least know how to remove the leather if I want to re-leather it. Last roll. Okay. All packed up. Time to head back. Turned out to be a beautiful day after, you know, it stopped pouring down on me.
Okay, starting off here, the water garden came out a little funky, but I think it has to do with the scanning process. The problem is I'm using a lens that isn't completely flat field, so it tried to round it out here. This is Lightroom doing its own thing. It's kind of difficult to stay up, but you can see there's tons of detail in this shot. It really is I'm pretty happy with how well it came out. I just wish that it would have flattened out a little better. I need to swap out lenses or get a lens setup that's, you know, more flat field. But the problem is I have to basically take 8x10s and like 15 or 20 of them. So it's kind of difficult to get all of that all at once. But you can see a guy here. You zoom in over here. We've got, see if I can find it. Well, you can see, you can actually make out the individual bricks on this building over here, and of course you see the top of the New Harbor Bridge. Here he is, the police officer. He's hid out over here in the back. I think he was watching me because he kept looking towards my direction. And we got a bird chilling out, chilling out here in the center. So all in all, I'm pretty happy with this. This was done with a red 25 filter. Now this next one, this is the shot with Ocean Drive to Hilliard Center, and you can see the Port of Corpus Christi sign here. You see the American Bank Center, Omni Hotel. Yeah, there's quite a bit of detail in this shot too. Pretty happy with it. You see some work trucks over here, and then the Texas flag on top of that building. Some more trucks and cars over here. Road signs, you can see this, the business sign, and this is what happens when a vehicle is coming, is going the opposite direction that you are taking the image. So yeah, it kind of squishes it. I was doing a half second exposure, so is that guy grabbing his heart? Okay. I got police surveillance. We got to live in a surveillance state nowadays. And of course, the Hilliard Center was able to get quite a bit of detail here. All in all, I'm pretty happy with this image. You got somebody over here, looks like a couple over there. Dude hid out behind this tree. What else we got? Oh, got a guy here. You can see the Lexington off in the back, and then there's a Mirador there. All in all, it's a pretty good image. I really enjoyed it. I did not use a filter on this one. I was going to, in the last minute, I decided, I want to see what it would look without it. So, I don't know, I'm pretty happy with it. Anyways, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. And if you've lasted this long, YouTube thinks you might like my content. So click the link on the screen. As always, until next time.